Hello everyone, welcome back to another DIY project. Today we are transforming simple natural textures like rope, driftwood, burlap into beautiful handcrafted designer look tray. It's effortless, it's grounded, and it brings a little piece of nature into your space. So without further ado, let's get into it. Begin by tightly coiling the end of your rope into a small spiral. Add a small dot of glue as you make the first loop to hold it in place. Keep the core tight. This will give the tray a neat center. Continue coiling the rope outwards every 1 or 2 centimeters. Press the new rope firmly against the previous coil and add a short bit of glue along the contact seam. Take your time here, press firmly as you go to keep the spiral tight and flat. This part is actually super therapeutic. Work steadily in a spiral until the base reaches the size you want. I stopped about 38 centimeters, and if the glue gets thinny, wipe the tip clean. Next, you'll need a sturdy round base. I use strong cardboard cut into a circle, but you can also use a thick MDF or wooden board if that's what you have on hand. To finish the bag and hide the cardboard, I cut a circle of burlap and glue it to the bottom, and it instantly gives a clean and more professional look. If you use the wood for the base, you can leave it as it is. Now we can attach and secure the top. I use a hot glue gun for this. It sets quickly and holds the rope in place really well. To make the rim I used a hose pipe cut to the exact length, then glue the rope around it using the same method, small dots of glue and firm pressure until it's completely covered. Alternatively, you can skip the hose and simply stack the next coil slightly on top of the last row so it begins to rise. Build 2 or 3 rows to create a pleasing raised edge. For the handles, I use piece of driftwood to give a natural organic touch. First, test the placement opposite side of the tray. Add a little glue to the underside of each piece. Press it into the rim and hold for a few seconds until it bonds. I also placed a small piece of wood underneath each handles to raise them slightly. Wrap twine around the point where each handle meets the rim to hide the joint and secure it further. Start with a dab of glue, wrap tightly several times, and finish with a neat knot or another dab of glue tucked under the wrap. Fraying ropes and with a sharp scissors, brush a light coat of Mod Podge or clean matte sealer over the tray to seal the fibers and prevent shedding. One thin coat is enough. Let it dry fully. And that's it. A cozy rustic jute tray with a driftwood handles. If you tried this project, tag me. I would love to see your versions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell for more upcycling and nature-loving crafts. See you in the next one.